pagbabalik ng Smokehouse Session.
But those are good conversations because that's real.
Yeah.
But
Pero malapit yun yung pag-raised ka dito, wala kang ganun, no? Boss, idol, you know what I'm saying?
yes.
Iba no?
Iba yung hindi kayo
ako dun,
medyo mataas yung mataas yung pride na magtawag ng boss sa
mga first worlders.
Bago nila tawagin yung dapat may posisyon ka talaga.
yes, like boss, I'm calling that. Parang
Ang pangalan mo lang tawag sa'yo eh. Di ba sa atin, kuya?
Hindi, tawag sa akin dito, pimp. What's up, pimp? What up, pimp? What up, pimp?
you know what, you got that energy because you've been here for a while. Parang dito ka na rin nag-adapt ng parang gusto mo rin na wag maiwan tayo sa nangyayari sa kultura ng kung saan ka nakatira eh.
Oo,
Kaya nung sinabi mong tumayo ka doon sa Slawson sa liquor store na minsan lang makakita ng Asian, na pag tumayo ka doon feeling mo na puta ako lang yung napunta ditong Asiano, ang astig ko. I grew up feeling like that my whole childhood growing up in Brooklyn.
I'm the first one.
But I bridged like that.
Yeah, the culture, yeah.
I wasn't the first one. I had mentors that parang nakihalo na sila sa mga Puerto Ricans, itim, ganyan, iilan lang na mas nauna sa akin.
Super mix na.
So, shouts to rest in peace to my boy, man. Fuck, his brother Keith. It's been a long time. I forget these motherfuckers' names too. Like shit.
Shout out to you, bruh. You already know what it is. This is what it is.
Damn, that's crazy that I forget. That's not how long it's been.
Smoke pa kasi tayo. Isa pa para, you know, bumalik yung espiritu ni Ivory.
That's crazy.
The smoke out.
Yeah. Magandang suggestion yan, bro.
It's crazy because this person, honestly, before I got discharged, Charlie, y'all can look it up in the New York Post. This guy, Charlie, ended up burying a lady inside the basement of a concrete.
Cool.
Not know if it was alive or if she already was dead, but I think she OD'd, rest in peace. My man Bird's aunt, and he ended up burying her under a basement in the building in the Bronx because he felt, rest in peace, Charlie. He felt, we don't know the exact reason, but he got locked up for it. He came out, but the person that I was pointing to, na naunang Filipino na kilala yung iba't ibang lahi, is actually this person. So he went through that, but I don't know what happened there after, pero nung mas bata ako, parang dinala nun ako sa school na-discharge ako sa school, natakot akong isasabihin sa airmats ko, nagkunyaring tiyuhin ko. Pinasok ako sa school ulit.
Yeah.
This person also, yeah, man, rest in peace, Charlie. And you know, it's sad that he had to go through that. And somebody, I don't know, he didn't. I don't know. You could read it in the papers. I forget Charlie's last name, but maybe you could pull it up and put the B-roll on top of this and find it.
Dito, Charlie.
Brighton Beach, Brooklyn. It happened a long time ago. But yun, isa sa mga tao. Man, I looked up to him being not afraid with the other races na kihalo, pero I'm not down with whatever he did. You know what I'm saying? He was on some other shit for doing that.
Positive yung mga tumatak.
Kulit.
Anyway, with you here, you know what I'm saying? Los Angeles is West Coast. Sa akin, sa New York, ako natute.
Hashtag LA Pinoy nga. LA Pinoy rap nga pala. Doon makikita yung mga LA Pinoy.
Ano bang movement ang inyong mga binabalak pa para mag-ingay at umapoy ang...
Actually, ayaw namin mag-ingay. Ayaw namin mag-ingay.
Hindi tinapos sa sentence.
Basta yun. Basta yun.
Siguro yung kabuti gumagana na.
Ay, ang tawag namin doon ay Naga Nation.
Shit!
Naga Nation, nandiyan sila Piccolo, Nemic.
Para walang pinag-uusapan pero ang saya.
Planet Nemic.
Pandemic ka na.
Planet Nemic. Bibilis tayo ng Sanggo mamaya. You know what I'm saying?
Kaka-excite yung pagka-nonsense. Alam mo yun, nakaka-excite yung pagka-nonsense nito ah.
Mukulit no?
Yun talaga yung tunay na usapan. Di ba? Meron yung mga tunay na usapan.
Ano naman tayo? Join the Kuya, nasa nang iyong ano dyan? Patingin nga
Yung mga
yung
business,
strain.
yun talaga goals.
Kuya Ken, okay ba to? Smokehouse? Yeah.
Smokehouse.
Pakita naman natin.
Shoutout nga pala sa mga weed smoker sa lahat ng buong Pilipinas. Respect sa'yo, kapatid. Kahit bawal dyan, sabog ka pa din. You know what I'm saying? Isa na ako doon. Kasi magiging legal din yan. Legal naman yan talaga kay
Grinder
GOD.
mo.
Meron
Wala.
tayong malaki dyan, G. Ito. Mag-grind. Babalik na ako sa grind. Babalik na ako sa grind. Ito, bro.
Ano klase weed to?
Sativa. Pero nakalimutan ko na yung strain, G. Ang strain niyan, Namseng.
Namseng.
Namseng Sativa. THC. 99%. Namseng.
99%.
THE. Tamang
THC.
nala.
CBD.
Hindi THC.
Sample.
TST. Yun ang sayang. Lahat ng gang shit yan. Yun namin. Lahat ng T.
Kamusta Kuya Mike ang sunugan? Meron ba tayong mga
Mainit ba?
event dyan na gaganapin
Meron.
sa sunugan?
Kakaganap lang sa 16th sunugan. So, it's always alive because I let everybody use it.
But the
I
sunugan
let
now...
everybody use it, you know
yeah,
what I mean?
but the
That's why.
sunugan is not just battle now. It's like, it's...
Oh, the hoops.
No, I mean like, di ba sunugan, di ba rap battle?
Rap battle pa rin naman.
Yeah, I know.
Battle
pero
Royals.
ngayon,
Battle Royals.
nagkakaroon na ng mga ng iba-ibang content din ng sunugan.
Linalabas ko lang yung mga luma.
Aha.
Ilinalabas ko yung mga lumang ano. Kasi
Yun-
parang wala naman nakakita ng side na yun di ba?
Nakakita nun pero sa akin onti lang Kasi
Ah,
like,
so now you
there's
see a lot.
early 2006 is like, when
In a way, we
that shit was
solidified
popping.
our spot. I felt like showing that also kind of shows like, all right, y'all might have all of this, but we got all
We got
of
the
behind
history, like,
yeah, I have a lot more. That's nothing.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
like
yeah,
not even 1% of what I got. You know what I'm saying? That's not even 1%.
No, bro,
99%
in terms of like footage tol, ang dami nilang naka-reservang footage na.
Yan, tingnan mo.
Camera rolling lagi.
Where's my bag over there? Let me get my bag over there. Can I show you?
Like,
Just
bro,
all-
from early 2000 tol.
I don't
ang dami
even need
nilang
to go-
footage na ng mga hip-hop talaga. Like,
I don't need to go nowhere else.
Yung mga
I could be
DVD
here the
kanina
whole
wala
year.
yung mga DVD.
Freestyle lang sa kwarto.
Yeah.
Ito, pag sinaksak ko to, siguro isang taon pang...
Hindi mo matatapos sa rin.
Oh,
Hindi mo matatapos sa
ano ako, isang refrigerator kung ganito
Yeah.
Tsaka mini DV, terabytes, VHS, high 8,
Hindi pa
cellphone.
Tape, baka may tape ka pa. Yung mga
Yeah,
tape.
hindi baka. Yun ang
May tape talaga.
pinaka expensive at pinaka worth kung pinaka priceless kong footage
It's like
natong
the
sa
same-
era na yun.
Yeah.
Ano mo, Itbulaga.
VHS.
Kung mga,
Kung 1%
Crazy.
yun, hindi pa na-upload yung 99%.
hindi pa.
Ganun kadami.
Hindi pa, tol.
Look,
Maraming, yung tao, yung net citizen, marami silang pag-uusapan, tol, pag...
madami. Tsaka lalo na yung mga controversial.
lalo na, tol, yung mga sikat.
Yung
may
mga controversial, ang dami
may mga
kong
sikat na rapper na...
This is true.
Doon din
I've
nagsimula,
rapped it.
tol, sa loob ng sunugan na...
Ganito ang aming way. Puting Kalabaw. Bilang ni Puting Kalabaw to, hindi ako pwedeng
Shout
may
out,
mga
Puting
number
Kalabaw.
to, may mga number to. Si Puting Kalabaw, ang job niya, protektahan yung aming mga kayamanan ganito.
The World Bank.
So that's why when I get from him, it's counted. He makes sure I return before I take and start looking at all the old footage. Kasi ngayon ko lang siya sinisilip-silip kasi nga dahil sa mga ginagawa natin sa Ganja Hope, sa Netflix Philippines, all this fucking positive shit we're doing. You think we shot this for no reason? Come on, dog.
It's
So, it took a lot of years to collect all these. Wait, ilan ba yung dala kong external? May tatlo dyan bang? Yung isa na silip ko, Picnic Games 1. So, mamaya gusto ko mag-upload ng mga photos. Hindi lang a video, photos.
Yeah.
Dope, man.
Then yun na yun ang pag-uusapan ng mga net citizen.
Oh, shit.
Pagka in-upload nila yun, like, bro, makikita ka na sari-saring comment na naman.
Ay, oo, kita mo naman yung mga in-upload ko. Wala pang nagtataas ng cellphone. Kumbaga, libo-libong tao, may footage ako na gano'n, wala kahit isang...
Siya lang.
Ako lang yung may camera.
pa.
And that's just a little bit. So right now, later, I'll show you one of these after the podcast. 'Cause it's too much for y'all. In one session.
So, may Nico, great stories, great mga culture na nangyari na. Mga kulturang nangyari.
Yeah, like meddle around. Ask some questions that you I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'll tell you what I know or what footage I have of that, of it, of who, of what.
Yeah, I'm trying to think right now.
No,
I
like
guess.
scandal. Oh.
Reggie scandal. Meron mo dyan, Reggie na.
Meron ako niya. May Reggie scandal tayo, di ba?
Yan, pana. Gusto niya maging viral daw yun eh. Gusto ko na i-boost yun sa Facebook eh. Yan yung mukha lang ni Reggie.
Because he takes the leaf of faith.
Leap of faith.
Tuwing pupunta ako sa Los Angeles, may bagong trabaho.
Unlimited work eh.
Tuwing aalis, magki-quit.
Ay, di
Tuwing
ko kasi
pagdating ko,
talaga yun.
bagong trabaho. Bago ko umalis, nag-quit na.
Laging nag-e-evolve. You know what I'm saying?
Laging nag-i-involve.
Lagi nag-involved lang.
Outbulb. You know what I mean? Outbulb.
Pero tol po, tastig yun kung makakatawid ka na hindi na nagtatrabaho tapos nagagawa mo yung mga shit
Bruh.
mo.
Pero meron pa rin gagawin, bro.
Alam mo, choice yun eh. Kung wala kang minamahal sa buhay, nagmamahal sa buhay, pwede. Yo! Yung mga choice mo na ayaw ko na gumalaw. May mga tropa naman ako. Buhay naman ako sa cheese doodle.
Hindi, darating din tayo
Mga
dyan.
20 minutes lang sa akin yung ganun.
Darating din tayo dyan.
Pag magaling
Okay,
ka
okay.
makisama at tumulong magtrabaho, hindi ka mawawala ng taong magsasama sa'yo.
Yun yung ano mo eh, frequency
Kasi sa
mo,
mga
kaya yung
artist din eh.
ma-attract mo.
Sa mga
Tao.
artist din eh, no, ganun din eh, no, minsan like, they trying pinagsasabay nila, trabaho, tas being an artist. Yung
Yeah.
mga ganong shit na lagi naglalaban yung dalawang mundo nila na...
Kasi, you know, it's hard.
You know what I mean, Kuya Mike?
It's
There's a lot
hard
of like
to take
that.
the leaf of faith. No, seriously, yun talaga. We keep
Totoo.
repeating that, pero ang mahirap doon is, walang kasiguruhan yung iiwanan mo na pag iniwan mo yun, mas maganda yung...
Kapalit.
Oo, yung
Yung
babagsakan ng iyong sinugal. Eh,
Yeah.
minsan, you know, but you know, that's the hard part. It is, because I got friends that are great at planning and getting it, and now they got everything, and then, you know, it's like you never know. But that's what I'm saying. Kahit sino naman dito, pag lumabas mamaya, pwede kang mabunggo, pwede kang maano. You really never know. You know what I'm saying? So, take the leap of faith.
At always, take the leap of faith every time, always. Yun, sa lahat ng paraan.
Not when you're on shrooms by the mountain cliff. Don't take the leap of faith.
Baka malaglag ka doon na naglipad na at nagana na. Sinasabi ko sa inyo gawin.
So, ikwento mo kung saan nabaril si Nipsey.
Doon sa may ano.
So, around the corner, may nag-gate na ginate pa. Ikwento mo nga yung mga usapan mo doon.
Kasi dito yan eh. Dito yan eh.
Oo, dyan
Just
yun.
by the, yeah,
So, dun
right
sa
here.
complex, andun yung The Marathon.
Yung store niya.
Oo, The Marathon, sa
Yeah.
kanto yun. Bam, dun lagi sila. May mga shit sila doon.
How far was it from here?
Mga Crenshaw, 3, 4 na.
It's not exactly, hindi ba sa Crenshaw and Slauson yun?
Sa Slauson yun, pero
It's not in
one
Crenshaw.
street, one street before or half a block type
Yeah,
shit,
yeah,
you know
yeah,
what I'm saying?
yeah. So malapit sa Pat Burger.
Oo.
Oo. Isa pang complex, isa pang complex, isa pang block, isa
Okay.
pang lot.
Nandito ko ba nun? Nandito ako nun sa inyo?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Nasa
Hindi ko
nun?
maalala eh. Basta...
Kasama
Hindi ko
siya
alam
ni,
eh. Di ba-
kasama siya ni Eric Holder. No, that's not a joke.
Ano nga ba nangyari?
I mean, that's my bad. That's not a good joke. I mean, kasama.
So, ang nangyari, well, si Nipsey, breakdown ko lang ng mga nalalaman ko din sa kanya. Ano din siya, nagbibigay siya ng game about, you know, di ba, mga stores dito, na mga corners, putok talaga pangalan niya sa community.
Yes, dito sa Crenshaw. Yeah, putok
yung
na
mga
putok
nagbebenta
pala.
ng shirt, sinabihan niya daw na, bro, e-commerce na is this shit, you know what I mean?
It's a new thing.
Yeah, it's like,
During that time, it's a new
instead
thing.
you have
yeah.
one store here, you have the store around the whole America. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bagong shit eh. Diba? So anyways, dami niyang ginawa. To community, nagpe-paint din siya ng mga chords, bro. You know what I'm saying? Parang same frequency talaga eh. You know what I mean? Tapos, crypto, big on crypto siya, at saka mga investing din. Anyways, yung store na yun, may burger, then may burger.
The whole
din.
plaza ata sa kanya.
Binili niya yun,
dahil
isa-isa.
binili niya yung buong
Binili
plaza
niya,
na yun.
alam niya yun. Ano
Kasi
na,
yung taas
estate,
nun, tol, is sa recording. Nagpasok siya ng nagtuturo doon. Tinuturuan yung mga bata maging audio engineer. Tsaka
yung
music
school na yun,
producer.
naalala ko
Yeah.
ngayon.
That was on top
Oo
of
nga,
that.
no. Hindi-
That was on top of that.
Oo nga, no. Kasi naalala ko parang naririnig-kita ko lang, naririnig-rinig ko na ganun. Pero hindi ako nagpe-pay attention kasi buhay pa siya.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Not until, they're gone.
You know what I'm saying? Tapos, anyways, yun nga, nakita ko siyang ganyan, hassle, yan, ano ko rin yan, bro, ito talaga yung gusto kong maging, yung role model ko Nipsey Hussle talaga type shit. Tapos napunta ako dito, anyways, ayun, isang araw na, gusto mo mga deep shit, basta ako, meron mga conspiracy kasi
Hindi,
dyan, bro,
wag lang, yung nangyari lang doon nung
Oh, anyways,
time.
Sige, anong conspiracy?
Oh, sige, yan.
Pero ang nangyari, okay, nandun siya sa store niya, nakatayo siya, binaril siya. Tapos, yun na, dinala sa hospital, patay na, dead on arrival. Yun yung nakita mo sa TV. Maraming mga tropa dito na may tropa na kilala yung mga nangyari. Kunyari, punta ka lang dyan sa... Actually, nandito nga yata ako kasi nandyan sa grocery. Yung mga tao, nasa rattle lahat Yung superhero nila namatay.
Yeah.
So, pinag-uusapan na lahat ng mga kanto-kanto. Ako na narinig ko lang parang, it was an assassination. Mga ganun siya. It was an assassination. It wasn't no fucking gangbang shit, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, yung mga streets, yung ano nila, yung say nila. Pero
Yeah, it
sa
wasn't
media,
really a gangbang shit.
kahit sabihin mo pang nakulong na you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Hindi, marami pa, bro. Well, I don't wanna speak on the other shit that I know. Baka may ma-open ako, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's
Pero,
crazy.
yun, deep
Kung
shit.
nasa Pilipinas ako noon nung nangyari yun.
Uh,
I was in the
Meron
Philippines.
pang isa pang conspiracy na deep shit Buhay pa yun
Ay, may mga ganun yun.
Oo, gago, deep shit, bro. But, you know, kakaiba. Pero, iba si Nipsey, bro. Kahit di ganun yung rap talaga niya na gusto mo yung rap niya. Iba yung, ano niya Iba yung persona niya, you know what I'm saying? Ewan ko bakit ganun. Dati una, di ko siya trip nung una kong napakaigan. You know what I'm saying? What?
Astig yun sa akin dati. Nung astig na siya sa akin talaga. Yung music niya, like, fuck, yung hustle niya, tol. Nagbenta siya ng CD.
Yung storya.
Hindi.
Storya.
Hindi, yung CD
unang
niya.
na ano mo, yung CD mo. Or,
The CD, he was the only, like, the person, siya yung una nagbenta ng parang $100 sa
pero
CD,
eto tanong
tol.
ko, napakinggan mo na ba siya bago mo nalaman yun?
Hindi, napakinggan ko muna siya.
napakinggan mo
Yeah,
siya, okay.
pinakinggan ko muna siya. Pero siya yung nagbenta ng pinakamahal na CD na...
$100
nagulat siya, tapos naubos.
So, naubos,
Na sold out. So, parang doon nagumpisa, doon ko siya mas lalong naging interesting sa akin kasi puta, how much is a fucking album? It's like $10. But this guy was slanging it for 100 just. And then, walang yun, ilang pieces lang yun.
Nung bata pa daw
Yeah.
siya, tol. Nung bata pa daw siya. Meron daw siyang, nagsushoeshine daw siya sa mga kanto dyan. So, nung bata siya, ewan ko kung anong year na yun, nakakaano daw siya, $10 siya, parang $100, $250 a day, bata ako. You know what I'm saying?
Ikaw ba anong origins mo sa yung bakit ka at paano ka naging businessman of today, which congratulations with your, can I say your business?
Yeah,
your coffee business?
It's called Narafe. Sa ano yan? Sa Bigutan Exit, sa Paranaque. Kitang-kita mo ako doon maghuhugas ng pinggan at nagwawalis araw-araw ng maraming mga dahon ng Nara.
Bisitahin niyo yan. Bisitahin natin yan.
Pag nandun, walang libreng kape. Bayad lahat. You know what I'm saying? Kasi bumibili kami ng kape.
Kasi wala akong pakialain sa akin.
You know what I'm saying?
Bumili ka ng kape.
Ito may na ano ko, kanina nasa call, na-zoom call ako ni Justin Nip, yung nagbebenta ng shirt. Pinasa ko ni Bokman, sa'yo. Shoutout sa'yo, Bok. So, nakikinig ako ng gano'n. So, may mga speaker doon, may mga binibigay na game. Yung game daw is, isang game na dinrap niya is, kung nasa frequency ka nang bumibili ka, so you're supporting
You're
somebody.
a consumer.
Oh, hindi naman, consumer din. Pero binibili mo to support kasi...
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Yun yung maa-attract mo. So, may bibili rin sa'yo. You know what I'm saying? So, sabi ko, okay, shit yun ah. So, ngayon, kabaliktaran nun, pag nanghihingi ka, may manghihingi din sa'yo.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
okay.
Yung frequency niya, ulit nga.
Oo,
Oo.
okay. Nagets ko na yung frequency na.
Oo. Channel, yun ang saying.
Kung timawa ka
Oo, yung mga didikit sa'yo nang hindi mo alam. Biglang ganun na lang. Pero lipat mo yung channel kung gusto
So,
mo. Yun ang saying.
okay. Yeah.
Positive channel lang tayo lagi. Pwede ka manood ng mga negative. Pero,
Excited ako kasi ano pa to eh, it's gonna grow. Because
Start.
you did 2 shows, you're organizers, you're serious about your careers. Binabalanse lang natin lahat, hindi nga, kaya nga maganda yung may community para hindi mapuruhan na kung ang tropa hindi kayang itodo dito kung saan tayo makakatulong para maibalanse at makarating siya sa gusto niyang puntahan bigay natin kung kaya hindi yung itago natin ng gagaya ng ginawa natin ngayon sa AI na sinasabi ko di ba nakakatuwa na na-share natin
bro, kailangan namin talaga.
so yung ganong mindset na i-share yung alam is better than itago baka itago natin to sa
Kumbaga, pwede din ma-apply yung ano eh.
natin to
Yung teach a man how to fish type shit. You know what I'm
exactly
saying?
I like that because now it comes the karma of that feels so good because I've in a way there's a few that I was able to help in that way kung ano man yung nagawa ko na nakatulong sa kanila meron akong ilan na nangyari na yon so ang ganda ng balik kasi halimbawa pre, paldo ka pa utang. O, di ba? Bilis agad. Yan lang, ang ganda-ganda na aliw. Pag nagpasa ka ng hindi mo, wala, yung paligi mo, wala kang matatakbuhan. Di ba? O, kahit wala nang ganun, at least meron, di ba? Ang pinakamaganda mag-ipon ng para sa sarili kasi pag nagkasakit ka, lalo na sa Pilipinas,
Yari ka
kawawa ka.
doon. Kaya mag-push up ka araw-araw.
Yes, that's money. That's saving up money. Do your push-ups, do your runs.
$1. Yen.
Don't smoke cigarettes. Don't abuse
Only
alcohol.
smoke the ganja.
Smoke some ganja.
Get some good sleep.
Get good sleep. Drink water. Have sex.
Stay away from the brothels.
As much as you can. Stay away from brothels and condom up.
Yeah.
So,
Condom up, so patanggal yun. Paalit.
condom up.
Astig.
That was a bad road, bro.
Kami naman dito, LA Pinoy Rap pa rin. Parang nawala sa utak ko nung nagbakasyon kasi ako Pinas. Parang
Ilang buwan ka nga doon? Ilang buwan ka doon?
since January lang.
Yeah.
Pero
Hindi,
before that,
yeah.
parang October.
Naghuli tayong nagkita tol nung event pa eh. I think December.
Smokehouse?
Yeah, Smokehouse event.
Oo.
After
So,
that,
December.
December. Tapos nakita na lang kita ulit ngayong April. I think April.
okay.
April na lang kita
Parang
ulit
ang gusto ko rin wag magpakita sa mga tao dahil sa mga pangyayaring ganun no? May mga nakaka-drain.
That's crazy.
Insane in the membrane.
Yeah.
Take me higher.
Take me higher nga pala nandito.
Leap of faith. Dali mo na yung kay Kenneth. Make me...
Leap of faith. Kung wala ka, talunan mo na. Well, anyway, sa Smokehouse, Smokehouse, eto, Kuya Mike, man, kung may mga tropa na, gusto ko mag-record, bro. Hindi ko
Ito
alam
yun,
paano. You know what I'm saying? Hindi ko alam ba, may sulat ako, pwede mo ba akong tulungan?
Yun.
Yung mga ganun, dun kami.
Yeah,
Pwede yun.
They come here. Yeah, they come here.
They come here, they
Pinsan
start
ko,
rapping.
knock-knock. Dalhin mo dito. Pakantahin mo.
Halika dito. Kasi ganun din kami dati. Wala naman nagtulong sa amin. Hindi amin alam paano yung BPM. Diba? Kami na, we kind of figured that out. Yung knowledge ni Ronald about FL, yung mga alam ko rin, nag-combine din kami. Hindi namin alam talaga.
Well, he went to school in Hollywood right here.
Ito.
Yeah.
Engineering school.
Pinix ko to. I fixed the studio here.
Beautiful.
Ang mga kwento ko dun sa school mo, iba Ronald Hindi knowledge
Bakit?
Ay, yung mga ibang pinagagawa mo.
Hindi ko na yun eh. Medyo advanced na rin kasi yung
Yung mga extracurricular na yung mga kinikwento mo sa akin.
yung pinapakuan ko lang, pinapaintindi ko lang sa'yo yung madaling maintindihan ako. Pero malalim yun when it comes to that shit is deep like.
Ang lalim ng FL
Ano din, napunta rin. kumbaga, pumunta rin ako sa school mo, present ako tuwing umaga sa harap, di ba? Tambay ako sa harap ng school noon. No, panahon na naglalako-lako ako nung kung ano sa Hollywood Stars, natambay ako sa harap ng school niya doon kasi nga maraming option. May makikilala ka, oh, you're an engineer, I'm a musician, I'm a rapper from the Philippines. I met a few. Some directors, they're shooting their movies right there in Hollywood. Just sometimes I would troll it, you know what I'm saying?
Ina-unlock mo yung mga character sa map. You know what I mean?
Sino ba mga tumatak? Kayo, kasi hindi ko naman, pagpunta ko ng LA, ito nga, si Ronald, ang pinaka-first meeting ko sa kanya, I think, was it the one when I got fired right away by the buses the first time?
Yeah.
That's the first
That
time,
was the
huh?
first time. Naka-live ka nun, putang ina, hanapin ko nga ito. Let me pull up and
See, that's
what
how
it's
it's
about.
about.
Like, what it's about. Like,
ko talaga eh. Ay, nadrag ka talaga dun eh. No?
punta nga ako nun, naka-live to. Punta ako
Naka-live
nun.
ako sa Hollywood.
Just check him out. And I saw him. And then after that, smoke, tas kwentuhan na, boy, buong kwan, smoke lang, tas kwentuhan. And then,
Sabi nito,
a lot of
smoke.
fucking-
Umabot ba to sa ano? Umabot ba to sa nag-scooter sa crypto.com? Hindi pa yata, kaka-change pa lang ng name sa crypto.com.
kakapalit lang na...
Nag-scooter
hindi pa
yan doon, tapos alam mo kung saan ako nakita, parang nag-activistang nasa labas ng crypto.com, may sulat, kay Jordan Clarkson,
Ikaw yun,
iniintay.
ikaw yun.
Oo, tapos si Easy Meal nasa loob, nagpe-perform.
Yun, crazy
Tapos
yun.
ano nangyari, pagkatapos ng performance, pagkatapos ng event na yun, tambay-tambay lang kayo sa labas, sinong nakakita sa amin?
Nakita
Who?
ko, si Easy Me.
Ah, di ba? Nag-picture pa tayo. Pum, tuwan-tuwa pa si Easy Me sa pagkita. Yakap sa akin.
Actually siya, nakita niya kami, pero nung nakita siya, boy, tumakbo rin si Easy Me. Kaya kumakbo siyang gano'n, tapos like, hey, what's up, like, sino kasama mo, this and that. Like,
Tapos narito yung mensahe ko na sinulat sa labas. Parang trying to get Jordan Clarkson
and that was the
to
time
help the
that
tenement.
Easy Me wasn't signed with Dr. J yet.
Nah, he wasn't signed to Eminem yet.
Yeah, not yet. I mean, Eminem.
Yeah.
It wasn't that. He was just like, yung putok pa lang yung wish niya. na
Panalo,
tapos,
oo.
I think that night was the Filipino Heritage Night.
Yes, in
In
Crypto.com.
Crypto.com, yeah, LA Clippers.
And you know what's dope about what happened? Just Filipino Heritage Night in New York. I was there, baby. I was able to perform, not in Madison Square Garden, but part of the festival. And I did the hoop bus. So in a way, from then to what it's turned out now, it's good to see that people are taking the steps forward. And now he's my friend for life. That was the first time he saw me na fire out ako. Kakatrabaho ko lang sa... Ano pa yun? Random ha? Hindi naman ako doon paano magtrabaho. Gusto ko lang
I don't even think
testingin
he
eh.
was serious about the job. I think he was just fucking with the guy. Like,
I was serious. I was gonna do the job. You know what the job is? You know, nakakita ko siya ng bus na may magandang graffiti ni Kobe Bryant. Ganon. Yung pala siya, tourist bus na nagtete. Akala ko para kay Kobe lang. Yung pala sa iba't ibang mga bahay ng mga sikat na artista, dadalhin yung history ng Hollywood, ganyan. So ngayon, pag ikaw ay ahente, pag ahente ka nun sa taong nadaan, ang sweldo mo pala doon is, kung ang cost ng isang tao para sumakay para ito is $70, kahit hanggang $20 mong ipatawad, kaya mong umabot na meron kang kaunti. So pag kaya mo ng pinakamataas, mas malaki yung percentage mong komisyon. So I could do this all day standing here, rapping and selling. I was doing that already.
It's not like
But I needed money too. Like, yo, I need extra money out this bitch, man. This looks easy. Plus the Kobe Bryant thing is perfect. So anyway, I was like, selling, and then all of a sudden, the guy gave me the job. So I was working for 5 minutes before this guy came. So Ronald came around. He see me in the car like this. He was like, "Yo, Mike." I was like, "Yo, what's up?" I'm gonna park. So he go park to the left. The minute he comes around to park and he's walking, the real owner of the company comes. The guy that hired me is like some manager. The real owner comes. The owner walks. The owner comes like, "Yo, who are you?" I said, "Yo, he just hired me to go work." He walks to the guy. He goes, "You hired this guy? Yo, we don't need you, man." I was like, "Oh shit, I'm fired already. 5 minutes of work, I'm fired." And he walks right around at that time. I said, "Yo, Ronald, tara na, sama na ako sa iyo.
Divine alignment.
Tapos kwentuhan na kami doon.
kwentuhan na kami doon.
1 minute, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Yan ang muna mong gagawin natin. Promotions. Chiles Manila. Chiles.mnl. Sa Pilipinas, meron na tayo, magbubukas na tayo sa chiles.la.
Ang lupit.
Humahagupit, nangangantot sa
Thank you, yo. So, hopefully next time I come to LA again. You heard?
Alam mo na yun.
Shit.
Na I'm saying na yun.
Peace
Ronald
out.
nga pala.
Yeah.
Nice one, Ronald.
Raw
nice
Vision
one.
Records. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah.
Tsaka yung pinakamalupit na bagong brand natin.
Reggie. Ano yung brand?
Yung bagong brand.
Leaf of Faith.
Yeah. By Reggie, take me higher. Know what I'm saying?
Curly. You heard?
Salamat sa
Everybody.
lahat ng tao dito.
Smokehouse. Abangan yung mga kantang
Chill.